What's up, folks? This is episode number 2 of my trading vlog. Today I didn't do much trading. I worked today early this morning, so I didn't get much time to even look at the chart. But I did, at the end of this video, I did do a breakdown of the 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. silver bullet. What I was looking at and so forth like that, and how would you trade. So basically something like this, pretty quick. I'll get more in detail and the videos will be more lengthy. As the channel grows, I would go live and start doing some other things with the channel, right? But if you're getting value, or you're on your journey, have any questions, we're all in this together. Even though when you're on the charts, you're executing on your own, right? Nobody's pushing that button but you. But at the same time, when it comes to the all the aspects of trading, especially when it comes mentally, we have to be mentally stable, right? When we're going on the charts, everything has to be good at home. Could be going through financial issues, any little thing. But once we have a model, we're going to stick with that model and we're going to execute when we see our setups, right? And as I mentioned, our setups, we're looking for when price is above the midnight open, we're looking for sells. If it's below, we're looking for buys. But also, when it comes to the 2 p.m. to the 3 p.m., we're using the 130 opening price. I mentioned this later in the video. You will see the breakdown. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to come on here and just let you know that I'm still going at it. I'm not a full-time trader, right? But I feel like most people are in the situation that I'm in. Either they're trying to get out if they're 95, or they're trying to use a 95 to fund their accounts at the moment. So I feel like I could relate, or a lot of people could relate to me and I could relate to them. So this is why I'm on this journey. So I want you guys to share your thoughts, whatever that may be. Also, how far are you on your journey? Do you have any questions? If I could help in any way, let's grow together. Let's grow this channel. Let's grow together, and let's make some money in this market because there is money to be made, right? And I feel like with discipline, patience comes consistency, right? As you could see at the top here, this is why I go by, right? But also risk management is very important, right? And we're gonna go through different trades, and we're going to go through different setups, and you're going to see how I manage my trade, what I was thinking, my thought process, and everything like that. Guys, I'm not perfect, and I might make mistakes, but we're going to learn from those mistakes together, right? If someone else trades differently than you, that's okay. Everyone sees the market differently, but at the same time, we're all here to make money, right? So without any further ado, let's get into it. And I'll see you guys, right? One link. Bless. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I didn't place a trade today, but I wanted to come on here and just give a trade breakdown. Normally, I like to focus on the silver bullet, but I didn't get a chance to trade this morning, the 10 a.m. Between the 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. silver bullet, and I also missed this 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. silver bullet. So I'm just gonna go over what I was looking at. As I mentioned, due to work, I was on my phone, and I wasn't able to see or execute on my phone. So what I was looking at is, as we could see, price is going to 15 minute. As you can see, price is way above the midnight opening price. So I'm not looking for any buys, right? I'm looking for sells. So let me drop down to the 2 minute. So focusing on this time here. So that's another thing I should mention, right? When price is so high above the midnight open, we don't use the midnight open after, I believe it's until 12. You could use the midnight open, refer the midnight open, I should say. Afterwards, we're gonna refer to the 130 opening price. So let me go back down here. So as you can see, 130 open, price comes, rallies above. We're already high, right? We've taken out buy sides in previous day high. When you look at this order block here, we're looking for price to support it to go higher, right? But price breaks that and also created a inversion right here. And that's normally what I try to focus on, like the inversion. If I could get this, there you go. So once price, let me zoom in a little bit more there. Once price breaks this inversion fair value gap here, I'm looking for, and we want to close below it, right? So once it does that, I'm looking for price to tap here, take a sell back into the range. If you're not comfortable with that, we also have a order block here, fair value gap, price breaks down, came back right into that fair value gap there. And that could be, if you miss this entry, this could be a pyramid entry there. And then what I normally like to do is I like to take the trade or my my TP back to the opening price of 130, and then I'll probably get out there or leave a runner, but typically I will leave it to the 130 opening price, and that will be it. I don't want to make this video too long, but if you trade ICT concepts, you understand what I'm looking at in price. As I mentioned earlier, the midnight open, use it up until like around 12 noon, and then for the PM silver bullet, you could use the 130 opening price. If price rallies above that, I would say like 8 or 9 times out of 10, price will come back towards it. Also, if we're in a a deep premium, right? This is very premium price. You don't want to buy this high unless we're in a trending market and it keeps going up and we don't get any signature to come back down. We don't want to be a part of that, right? So that's really it. I'm gonna try to create or try to execute a 2 to 3 p.m. silver bullet with the same setup, right? Because right now we're doing just in hindsight, and I want to be able to execute these live and so you could see them a part of the vlog. All right, but that's it for today. As you already know, peace and love. I'm out.